I'm Steve from Hermary. Today we'll show you how Hermary's Amadeus platform can help integration professionals develop industrial vision solutions quickly. Before we begin, let's see if these scenarios sound familiar. As an automation engineer, are you constantly having to keep up with the latest technologies and software updates? Between developing solutions, training new teammates, and system maintenance, do you feel there's never enough time? Is working with legacy, monolithic systems keeping you up at night? Well, you are not alone. I want you to meet Brian. Brian is an application engineer at a national system integration company. His job is to design automation systems using vision technologies for his clients. They may include manufacturers from food and beverage, industrial bakeries, pulp and paper, sawmilling, steelmaking, warehousing, and more. With the adoption of automation quickly on the rise and the need for custom automation solutions, Brian feels anxious about the time he and his team have. More technologies are available to work with now, but Brian has difficulty deciding which to use. He also feels overwhelmed by the effort required to integrate these technologies with clients' legacy systems. Enter Hermary's Amadeus platform, an integrated machine vision platform that builds on industry standards to support various performance machine vision devices. The platform is intuitive and makes device collaboration and synchronization simple and easy. It is future-proof to work with sensor technologies to come. Here's how it works. The Amadeus platform works seamlessly with Hermary's machine vision devices, such as industrial 3D scanners. Most importantly, it is designed to support third-party components, including lighting, cameras, and more. The mighty machine vision switch, MVS8. Its role is analogous to an orchestra conductor, controlling the timing of each device so they work synchronously together to complete assigned tasks. It is the all-in-one device and the backbone of the Amadeus ecosystem. System designers can plug in additional external I/Os, such as an encoder, whenever an application calls for it. Equally powerful is the Amadeus Tools. An intuitive GUI design offers system designers quick access to the most commonly used diagnostic tools for examining machine vision data. For more advanced applications, the Amadeus Composer allows users to configure each device's parameters for more sophisticated machine vision solutions. The Amadeus platform makes customizing and collaborating between machine vision devices effortless. Everything you need to develop a vision solution, the Amadeus platform can deliver. Now Brian and his team can focus on what they do best. The intuitive tool design and easy communication protocols make learning effortless. Junior or less experienced engineers can quickly settle into working with machine vision data, such as 3D point clouds or 2D images. Brian's team can now access each device using Amadeus tools for better integration across vendors. Using Amadeus platform's built-in sample code library, they can also quickly develop customizable solutions for different applications. Using Amadeus tools to configure machine vision devices, Brian finds this especially beneficial when he needs to deploy a system across multiple facilities. Adjustments are made by simply revising the parameters in Amadeus Composer. Projects now take less time to deploy. The modular system architecture allows Brian to quickly add or remove devices to meet a new application's requirements, enabling Brian and his team to design solutions based on previous successful installations. The platform's modular design also gives the team flexibility for future expansion or enhancement. Amadeus is unique in its ability to integrate with third-party machine vision devices. Brian's team is equipped to create innovative vision solutions, unmatched in performance and customer satisfaction. To find out how Hermary's 3D machine vision can jumpstart your automation projects, visit us at hermary.com or leave us a message. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.